Just installed Xtheme but not ready to show the world? What you need is a coming soon page. Watch this video for my step-by-step guide. For the best blog tech advice, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified when I post a new video every Monday. If you want to make sure that your Xtheme blog looks just how you want it before you launch, by the end of this video you'll know just how to set up a coming soon page. I've done this on dozens of client sites, and now it's your turn. So I'm now going to show you how to set up your coming soon page. So I'm on the WordPress dashboard at the moment. I'm going to navigate to the X dashboard. I'm going to scroll down to the bottom here. You can see there are some extensions that X recommends. I'm going to scroll down to find the under construction extension. So I'm going to click install. I'm going to click go activate, which will take me to the main plugins page. I'm going to scroll down to activate it. So there we go, it's activated now. Leave me a comment with your favourite Xtheme stack. To go and change the settings, we hover over the X menu item, and then down here we click on under construction. So we want to check this checkbox. Then you can choose whether or not you want to use a custom under construction page. So to start off with, I'm just going to use the default. And you can see here, so you can add a header. So I've added a heading, a subheading, and some extra text. I mean, if I had a bit more time, I'd put some links to my social media, but you get the point. Anything, you know, that you want to send people to before your site goes live, if you want to get them on your mailing list, social media, whatever, I would whack it in there. So I'm going to click update, and there you can see. Coming soon, the Blog Genie demo site is coming very soon. Why not check me out on social media? Like I say, in an ideal world, I'd have links to social media down here, but you know, this is just to show you what you can do. I'm going to go back now and change it to use a different page, the page that I've set up earlier. It's just Blog Genie demo site. I'm going to update that now. I'm going to come back to my page and I'm going to refresh that. And there you can see on this page I have got links set up. So in an ideal world, I might embed a YouTube video or show my Instagram feed, or you know, you can do whatever you want to point people to before your blog goes live. You can put anything here, and that's it. That's all there is to setting up a coming soon or an under construction page using Xtheme. So now you've installed Xtheme and set up your coming soon page, but now what? Check out my introduction to Xtheme video. If you need help to get your blog loading faster, check out my totally free 5-day email challenge, where you'll get an email jam-packed full of useful info every day to help get your blog loading faster. You'll find the link below. If you like this video, it would be awesome if you could like it below, subscribe and share it with your fellow bloggers. A comment below with helpful would be great too if this video helped you. And don't forget to hit the bell to be notified when I publish a new video every Monday.